Hey guys! In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing how to make daisy flowers or chamomile flowers, however you wanna call them. I didn't want summer to go by without making these lovely flowers because they are one of my top favorites to make and one of my favorite flowers in general. I always enjoy working on them. So without any further ado, let's get started. I used 1mm paper strips in making the petals of these flowers, but you can also try and use 1.5 or 2mm, whatever is easiest for you. I'm always trying to improve my work on these flowers, so every time I get the chance to work on them, I like to make something a little different than the previous time I made them. I was strolling down a pathway about a month or so ago, and there were stems of tiny chamomile flowers branching by the sidewalk. They were very cute and they inspired me to try and make a branch of these flowers. I enjoyed the process of making them. It's always a pleasure for me to make their white petals. So I hope you will enjoy watching the process too. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite flower or maybe more. For the leaves, I painted handmade paper. You can see how I do that in a video I made specifically on this topic. I linked it in the description box below. Here, as you can see, I'm just cutting out a leaf. I don't have a template for the leaves, I just cut out from memory of how I've seen daisy leaves in pictures or in real life. They don't have to be perfectly symmetrical or all alike. Thank you very much for watching, guys. It took a little while to put all of the flowers and leaves together. This is always the case when working with so many elements. It can be a little challenging finding the right place for each of them and making the whole branch look as lifelike as possible. After gluing all the flowers and leaves to each other, I wrapped crepe paper over the main stems, and then I painted the main stems with light green acrylic paint. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it and sharing it with you guys. Have a nice day and see you next time.